Okay, in this session, we are going to check how to print from the web-based versions, both if we have any components and anything that we create in our environment and how we get the print of that component. So for that, this is my interface. So for that, first of all, I need to click on this button. This is the 3-bar icon. I just need to simply click on this one. And then there's the print option. I need to click on this print option from here. Simply click on the print, and here you can see these are some dimensions here. We can select the dimension by default, like if I need a 6 inches and if I need a height of 5 inches. Okay, so from here we can select the dimension as well. This one is the default sizes. We need any default size, we can select a default sizes from here, and if we need in the portrait and the landscape, we can select from here as well. Other than that, if we need to work on the scenes, like currently we have a view this one, and there's a one option, the current view, like the currently which we have, we work with that. Other than that, there are scenes. Okay, so but here you can see for a while we don't have any scenes. So we can also get a scene. I will tell you later. But here's the one option about the background. Currently, you can see I have the gray background, but if I need a white background, I can check this one, and here you can see the view with the white background. So let's go back. From here, I'm going to cancel this, and I'm just going back to set my scenes. Okay, from here, if we need to set about the scenes, there's the option of the scene, this one. Okay, when I hover on this option, you can see the scene options. Okay, just click on this one and adjust the scene from here. Suppose I'm going to select this scene, then add the layers. And here you can see after that, I'm going to select this scene, and again, I'm going to add the layers. And here I go to the second scene, and this one is my best one. And again, I'm going to add the scene. This one is my third scene. So by this, we are going to add different multiple scenes. Again, let me go to this options, print, and here you can see we have three different options of the scene, and we can adjust it by using our mouse, by using the mouse cursor, zoom in and zoom out, and create a complete scene like this one. Okay. And after that, just go to the print, and here you can see we get the print of one of my component. Okay. By using this simple steps, you can easily get the print of your project.